Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change a BMW emblem. This do-it-yourself task is quite straightforward and can significantly refresh your car's appearance. First, let's gather our essential tools. You will need a plastic trim removal tool or a flathead screwdriver with its tip wrapped in tape to protect your paint. Also, have your new BMW emblem and new grommets ready, along with a cleaning solution and a soft cloth. Now, let's carefully remove the old emblem. Begin by placing masking tape around the emblem to safeguard your paint. Gently slide your plastic trim tool or padded screwdriver under the emblem's edge. Apply gentle yet firm pressure, focusing on the center or near the two pegs, typically located at the 9 and 3 o'clock positions. If the emblem feels stuck, a hairdryer can warm any adhesive, making removal easier. With the old emblem removed, it is crucial to prepare the surface properly. First, extract any old rubber grommets from the mounting holes. Needle nose pliers can assist with this. Next, clean the area thoroughly using a detail spray or denatured alcohol to eliminate dirt and adhesive residue. Ensure the surface is completely dry. Finally, press the two new, pliable rubber grommets firmly into the clean mounting holes, ensuring they are seated correctly. Now for the exciting part, installing your new BMW emblem. Carefully align the two pegs on the back of your new emblem with the fresh grommets you just installed. Apply firm, even pressure across the emblem until it clicks into place and sits flush against the vehicle's surface. Double-check that it is securely attached and perfectly centered. Your BMW now boasts a refreshed, sharp look, enhancing its overall aesthetic appeal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.